Hi, this is going to be a review of the Icon 3H low profile 90-tooth smooth handle ratchet. It's 9 1/16 long. And also going to review the low profile 90-tooth 3/8 ratchet with the plastic handle. And this is 9 7/16 long. These I have not opened yet. You hear the fire engines and the police and the ambulance. That's because I'm outside filming. Alright, here we go. Try to change it up instead of keep filming in the house. It's a nice September day. Okay. Once again, you open it up. You get your polishing cloth. And you get this nice case that it comes in. Side. It's very nice, it's smooth. It does kind of remind me of Snap-on. It says, ooh, good little warning here. Do not immerse in fluids. Very interesting. And it says 90 tooth. Okay. On. Off. Once again, I want to say, I guess it's maybe the design, the shape. It's got I think it's got a little weight to it compared to, well, I have a Snap-on here, which is a little shorter. Yeah. Well, come to think of it, it's actually almost the same. You can see the heads are different. I don't know if it, like, yeah, they're almost similar. I don't know if you can see that. And a real quick story on this Snap-on ratchet. I bought this a few years ago. It was on eBay. Buy it now with free shipping. The guy just listed it like maybe like not even 5 minutes. Buy it now, 25 bucks. I bought it. And it's an F936. And it served me well for over the years. So that's on that one. So like I said, it like, as you can see, I mean, you can see on the bottom handles are similar, but this one has less grooves. This one has more of these grooves. Like I said, also people were complaining about this with the bottoms, with it being sharp. I have no problems. I'm like, you can see me, I'm running my fingers. Some people are saying that it could have been milled better. Maybe they did fix this issue, but I have no issue. Let me see, I have a spark plug socket. Put it on. Very nice. Feels good in the hands. Handles nice and smooth. Snaps on the anvil. It is tight. It's no shaking, no looseness. It pops off. It's very tight on the anvil, which is good. Okay. All right. So that's for that. Now let's do the other guy. Now these 3/8 ratchets I'm opening for the first time in front of you. I just off camera I cut them open. Okay, you got your little microfiber cloth there. You got the case you can put it in your toolbox if you want. I want to say this is Yeah, this is a lot lighter than it. This one, again, is a lot lighter than this one. I guess it's because it's got all that extra metal in the handle. Feels good in the hands. Handle's very comfortable. Let's see. All right. I'm not going to nitpick here. But let's look at the handle. See a little dimple here. Yeah, it's got a couple of little dimples and like a long sorry about that. It's like a gouge. Yeah, it's got a couple of gouges in the plastic already. I just opened this. See the yeah, it's got a couple of gouges already. I guess that's when they plastic dipped the handle. It wasn't perfect. Yeah, you can see the gouges. Yeah, the upper handle seems it was dipped better than the other one. Yeah, you got a gouge over here too. Alright, well, everything is not perfect. It does feel good in the hand. It is nice and smooth. It's got a good finish on it. It got no burrs. Nothing to get stuck on. Again, it says do not submerge in fluids. 90 tooth. So that guy goes back in there. Okay. So let me see real quick. I'll tell you what I paid for these. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Oh, believe it or not, this is okay, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Okay. This guy. This guy, I paid $34.99. This guy, and I'm doing a baton twirl here. This guy also paid $34.99. Go figure. It's very strange. It's very weird. It's very weird. These were $34.99 each, and the stubbies I did in the other video, the shorter one, the one with no with the smooth handle, the shorter one was $27.99, and the longer one, this longer one was $29.99. Weird. Okay, so that's weird. Also, I mean, I'll just share this with you anyway, real quick. This I have. This is an S&K stubby ratchet. Bought this a couple years ago. It was like $50. It had some sales like on Facebook or Instagram or something, and it was like a new model that just came out. And this is nice. I believe I used this a couple of times, and this handle is nice. Got good knurling on it. This is a good little stubby ratchet, and this is part number 45174. And yesterday also in my video I told you about where is it? Oh, I bought a I have back in the day when I didn't have a lot of money, I treated myself. I got this 3-in-1, and I'm sorry, wrong ratchet. I got this $50 Craftsman teardrop polished ratchet. And over the years, you can see it's a little greasy and dirty. It served me well. It is part number 44813. And if you do find these on eBay used, they are going for $50 plus. And this has served me well over the years. don't know if you can see on the GoPro. It's been used, and it still works fine. Never rebuilt it, nothing. Probably should take it apart and lube it. Also, I mentioned in my video yesterday, it's the video, yesterday I call it the one where I'm driving to Harbor Freight. I'm talking about tools. I also mentioned I don't like Kobal, and I might have like a couple of Kobal sockets. Well, anyway, I did mention, I happened to bring up, Kobal makes, well, they used to make this 3-in-1 ratchet, which I thought was pretty weird. It's made by Kobalt. Oh my God, I can't read the number. I want to say it's 499921. Don't hold me to it. I believe that's the number. Well, anyway, it's wild. You got 3/8 on this side. Okay, there we go. The selector switch was in the middle. And on the other side, you have, I don't know if you can see, you have, sorry about the shaking, 1/4 inch and then a 1/2 inch drive. They, I don't know, that's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. I don't think I even really ever use this. That's wild. I don't have a 1/2 inch socket out here to show you, but that's pretty wild. It's got a 1/4 inch drive going to a 1/2 inch drive, and on the back side, it's got a 3/8 drive. And this is made by Kobalt. And when I went to my Lowe's, I seen it on internet. It was like the internet page or something about tools, and I was like, wow, that's pretty weird. That's pretty something interesting to have. And when I went there, they only had 2 left, and my God, I think I might have paid like $20-25 for this. Don't hold me to it. I can't remember what I paid. And like, I'm not really a big fan of Kobalt, but I just thought it was pretty interesting to have. And again, the handles actually almost look almost look similar to Snap-on. It's got the 2 lines here, the handle and the bottom, which no lines. It's got that smooth finish. So that's that. Okay, folks. So that's my review of the 2 Icon low profile 90-tooth ratchets. There we go. 3/8 drive, and hopefully I will get to use them soon, and at a later date I should be able to do an update video, see how things going, how they worked out. Okay, thank you.